Hi guys, welcome back to Gaming Ghost. If you saw the first video, I was by myself. Now we have a new guest.
Hi guys, I'm Lina. So hi.
She is one of the proud sponsors of my first video for her wonderful editing skills. So now I am doing a co-op with her. Today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button. Now, of course, we're playing Roblox because that is I would say the most popular game out there. Maybe there's just one more. I don't know. But Roblox, it has a ton of features. It's really fun. It also has a bunch of other games inside the game. Why is there just a tower of people? Why is nobody pressing the button? It looks tempting. It looks very tempting. Just so you know, I am not that smart. As you can see, not a single brain cell in sight. So, what is this? Oh, me and the special guest aren't on the same team. Me and Leon aren't on the same team. Let's go! I will just cover red tiles. That seems like a good plan. I'll just cover all the red tiles. I'm not... Leah, don't you dare! Leah, don't you dare! Leah, I will cover all of your tiles and then get the most points, okay? You stand no chance for me. I was a pro at Plants vs. Zombies. How different can Roblox be?
Very.
Hey! Get wrecked. It's tempting. I'm pressing.
I pressed it.
No, I did.
I'm a pro soccer player.
You played soccer. That's not fair. You have a fair advantage.
Oh.
You scored. What'd you get?
Nothing.
Alright, I clicked it. Give the most spheres into your teams. We're not on the same team again.
Cool.
Wait, no, okay. I guess I gotta prevent them from getting to their team. Nah, I'm blocking. Block. So many. No. Nobody's focusing on that one. I think that's kind of funny, I'm not gonna lie. Wait, is this just anyone's? I think we're just I think anyone can get this ball into their place, but all we're focusing on is preventing red from getting into theirs. It's very hard to balance the ball when you're on top of it. No. Goodbye. Yes, no. Wait, yes, no. Yeah, no. Yeah, go. It was Be Coil.
Where are my teammates? What the heck?
They're all focusing over here. Wait, did they leave? I think they left. What is this? Go trick or treating.
Oh wait, where am I?
Should we knock on this door?
Yes.
Yes. I love suspicion. We're gonna die, aren't we?
You think I know?
I'm not even facing the right way. Watch out for his attacks. Oh my!
Oh shoot! I didn't even see that one. Oh, I died.
I didn't either. No, I want to do a boss battle.
That doesn't even look like a boss battle.
Well, at least want to do some dodging.
Buy something from the shop.
Is it shop?
Robux.
Robux particulars. I don't
even know how much. Oh,
I can get set on fire. Why is that a thing? Potassium. Where are you?
In the mouth.
I will chase you guys down. want to be inside the noob. Hello, noob 1234. That's what I'm calling you. Whee!
Oh
He
my
just
God.
pooped you guys out.
I need to die. 1 second. I gotta kill my.
Oh my.
I'd rather have my cat.
Emotional damage. Did you hear him say that? Emotional damage?
Nope.
Did you say that? You're on top of the... Oh my God!
Oh, I forgot about that.
That just scared the heck out of me. The boulder. There's a boulder! There's a boulder! Lina, you're supposed to get into the hole!
I know that. No.
Oh, I thought you just went... Way past that.
Really scared.
Did you die?
Nope.
You actually made it. You! I'm scared.
I'm about to make it to the top.
Why? Why? Are you at the top yet?
I made it.
There are 2 below you.
I know.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.